Hello and welcome back. Today we are trying to find out what it means to find out the degree of your specific equation. Okay, so for that we go to our definition first of all. So the definition actually says that it is the highest exponent, which is the power of your specific variable that is going to be in your equation. Okay, so first of all, let's get our equation out to make it more simple to understand. 2x squared plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the equation that we have. Now, first of all, let's highlight the terms that are over here. Now, all of these are terms, and the first term has the variable x squared. Okay, it has the variable x which has the power of 2 as the exponent, and we have right besides it we have x raised to the power 1. And even though you might not see the variable right besides 3, it actually does exist. It is raised to the power 0, and that is why you don't actually see it, because anything raised to the power 0 ends up being equal to 1, and anything multiplied by 1 is just the number itself. So in this case, the number is 3, and the same goes if you have variables which have the power 0. The power the variable raised to the power 0 becomes 1, because any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1, so that it is just equal to 3. So in this case, the variable has the exponent 0, and on the right hand side we can also actually say that it has the variable raised to the power 0, because at the end of the day it doesn't matter what you multiply with 0, it just equals 0. So we need to find out what the highest exponent is out of all of these variables. Okay, so we have 2, 1, and 2 zeros. So again, 2, 1, and 2 zeros. So what is the biggest number over here? It is 2, right? It is the highest exponent. So you can actually say that 2 is the degree of your equation. It is a second degree equation. You can also call it a quadratic equation. I actually did a whole video naming these equations with different degrees, and I might actually do it again. So this is but the main thing is that it is a second degree equation, because we found out that 2 was the biggest exponent of the variable, and we just took it out and said that it is a second degree quadratic equation. Okay, so let's actually do some examples and try to find out what the degrees of these equations are. 2x is equal to 7. Again, you need to find out first of all what the power of what the value of your exponents are. Okay, so which of the variables, right? So x raised to the power 1 and x raised to the power 0. Now the first one is the biggest. Okay, the largest exponent is right besides is 1. Okay, so this is a linear equation. It is a degree 1 linear equation. Okay, and so let's look at another example, which says that 2x squared plus 3x is equal to x cubed. Again, find out the power of all the variables over here. So we have 2, we have 1, and we have 3. So again, you need to find out the highest exponent. In this case, it is 3. So it is going to be a third degree equation, or you can call it a degree 3 equation, or you can actually call it by its name, which is the cubic equation. Okay, and that is all there is to finding out the degree of your equation. And even if you get multiple variables inside of it, well, actually I might need to do another video about that, but till then, that is all there is to finding out the degrees of equations. Okay, so thank you for watching, and really hope you learned something.